Hi, this is Jeff Eastman, mechanical engineer and founder of NCPD, or North Canton Paranormal Detectives. Not only do I enjoy designing new equipment used in paranormal investigations, but I really take on the challenge of improving my existing designs. And one of the designs I'm talking about are my electric light dowsing rods. Now, I get feedback from the customers who have asked me, Jeff, which of the colors should I purchase? Green, blue, or pink are your most popular colors. Which one? And I can't honestly tell you. It's more of a preference. And another big one they have thrown at me is, Jeff, can you make a red dowsing rod? The red light will interfere less with our equipment, our photo equipment. So now I have to take the challenge of all 3 or 4 of those colors and put them into one dowsing rod. And that's a very interesting challenge. I can't use the same technology. It's like putting 4 power supplies on top of one dowsing rod. So I'm not going to do that. So I thought of some different technologies. I created some 3D CAD files and to see how much room I had inside the power supply and how much area to work with. I created some 3D files and printed them on my 3D printer, made lots of prototypes. And more importantly, I worked with E&Go Technologies. Dustin's the owner, and he is responsible for this custom circuit card that is going inside this tiny little power supply. And in the end, I am happy to announce that I have created the electric light dowsing rod version 2.0. And here it is. Yes, it looks the same, and that's the point of it. The familiar shape that you have seen, the 1/8 inch diameter C110 full hard copper that runs full length through the handle, 2 1/8 inch bearings, custom bearings, 1/2 inch diameter polished aluminum handle. We've got the power supply on top, which uses an AAA battery. Now on the new design, I took and moved the switch. A lot of you were telling me you didn't like the switch on the side of the part, so I moved the switch right on top, that little white button. But what's really different about this design is everything that's been packed inside the power supply and what runs the full length of this dowsing rod here. So let's shut the lights off and I'll show you exactly what we're talking about. So during an investigation, I'll carry my dowsing rods inside the scabbard that I provide you on my hip, just like this. Okay, so let's pull these guys out and have a seat. So now we've got 2 cameras going on. The first camera that you can see me fully in is the infrared, and the camera to your left, or my left, your right, is the full color camera. That is what other people will see. Okay? So now, again, the button to turn these on is right on the top. And the first color you get, let's turn the other one on, is blue. Blue is my most popular color. Okay? You can see those. The next color, just by clicking the button one time, is green. Alright? So there's your green color. Again, the bearings are very free moving, allows you to just have fun. The next color is pink. Okay? And you can see where the light illuminates the button on the inside, so you can easily see that. So there's your pink color. That is the third most popular color I have. So on the initial release of the dowsing rods, I'm going to throw in this next color. It's sort of a yellow-orange, but it's only going to be for a limited time. I'm not sure how popular that one is. And finally, the last color is red. So you can see how the red color looks. Now, when you're dowsing, you could sit down with, before you even talk to the spirits, you can show them, hey, I've got these dowsing rods, and you can select, go through the colors. I've got blue, green, pink, and red. Which color would you like? And maybe talking to the spirits. You say, yes, please cross my dowsing rods, you do like the red color, or no. What I thought would be interesting to do is to use red and green. Red would be no, and green would be yes. So if the spirits are not used to crossing the dowsing rods for yes and no, you could say, hey, if the answer is no, move the red dowsing rod, okay? And I'm physically moving it. And if the answer is yes, move the green dowsing rod. Who knows? You could have a lot of fun with this. You can also take these and prop them up on a table or a bookshelf or something like that and walk away and tell the spirits, hey, I'd like to see if you can do the same thing. Move the red or the green dowsing rod. Okay? So again, we've got all popular colors built right into the dowsing rods. Okay, that's it. So that's pretty cool. I was able to incorporate all those colors into one dowsing rod. So no longer do you need to be asking, hey, which spirits, which color should I use? You just click through them, ask the spirits, and maybe they'll get back to you. So if you'd like to know more on how you can obtain the Electric Light Dowsing Rod version 2.0, contact us or visit my website at ncpdohio.com. And as always, be safe, make smart choices, and have fun on your next paranormal investigation.